Okay, you all know what I look like, so I didn't need to have that little opening thing that I always like to put on. Here's your new homework assignment that's due the 18th at close to midnight, 1 minute before midnight on the 18th. It's Cinderella due date. All right. Um, anyway, in a science fiction, so we're talking about momentum, and we talked about it in class, and we've got the three things that go together. Um, Real quick, let's do a quick review. Remember, we have impulse, which is actually the average force applied to an object, and I'll do the slides on tomorrow on Thursday. But we've got an impulse which is equal to the average force applied to an object times delta t. Now here, and that is equal to the change in momentum. Notice I'm putting arrows over everything, and then we've got the which is equal to the mass times the change in velocity. And the change in velocity is very, very important because we got to remember if the initial velocity coming in is minus 10.0 meters per second and the final velocity going out is positive 5.0 meters per second, obviously it lost some energy in the carom there. But then their change is equal to 5.0 minus negative 10, and so that becomes 15 meters per second. That's one of those little bugaboo things that was, this is homework number 8, chapter 7, help here. Okay, these are the notes for it. All right, so we're going to be looking at these three things. So let's look at this one problem. I think most of the problems are really straightforward. We did a lot of them in class there on Tuesday that you should be able to do without much trouble. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this track now. This was just the track 1, and then we will get into one or two of the problems.